Welcome you all to this very video lecture. And in this very video lecture today, I'm going to explain you about group formation. This is one of the subtopic of leadership. A group is defined as collections of two or more than two people working together to achieve common objectives. And one definition is given here by David S. Smith. A group is two or more interacting individuals who share a common identity and purpose. Now, in order to accomplish organizational work, group is very essential. Unless and until there is a perfect and efficient group, the organization's tasks, the objective, and the goals of the organizations cannot be accomplished. Therefore, group is very essential in any of the organization. Now, I'm going to give you about the characteristics of a group. Number one, collections of people. Two, interaction and interdependence to each other. Three, common goal. Four, follow same group norms and values. Five, mutual awareness. Six, effective use of communication system. Seven, dynamic in changing situation and system. So these are some of the characteristics of a group. Next, I'm going to explain you about types of group. Groups can be basically classified into two types. They are formal and informal groups. Formal group. Formal groups are the collection of people depending on the formal organizational structure. It has two types. One command group, next task group. One command group. Group of subordinates who need to report to the same supervisor in the scalar chain are called command group. Next, task group. Such group is composed to perform a specific assigned task. It is temporary in nature. Such group gets dissolved after the completion of assigned tasks. Such groups also created by formal organization is structure. Now, informal group. Informal groups are non-programmed or not for a specific purpose of organization. In general, such groups are developed naturally in the workplace by the mutual interest, age, group, ethnicity, gender, etc. of the employees. It has two types, one interest group, another friendship groups. Its explanations are given here. Number one, interest group. Interest groups consist of people who share common interests. Member of such groups is optional. Employees having common concern regarding work schedules, sports, library, leisure time, etc. are the examples of interest group. Next, friendship group. Friendship groups are composed of employees who enjoy each other in the group. Friendship groups may be extended outside the organization too. Now, last of all, I would like to tell you about group formation process. Group formation process has several stages. Now, number one is forming stage. This is the first stage of group formation stage in which people show their interest to join group. Next one is storming stage. In this stage, degree of conflict and confrontations will be increased because of individual differences. Next one, norming stage. In this stage, each member starts accepting the responsibilities and authority relationship and accepts group norms. Next one, performing stage. In this stage, each member in the group starts performing their duties and responsibilities. And last one, adjourning stage. This is the final stage in which group will be ceased. Member those who like continue the group and those who dislike may quit the group. I think you might have understood about group formation and several subtopics under it. Now in my forthcoming videos, I'll come up with the uh, next videos classes Until then, bye. Thank you.